So I'm here in Harriman or Bear Mountain. I'm near Doodletown, and I'm going to go up to the 1777 trail and connect with the Suffolk Bear Mountain Trail. It's a beautiful October day. Sun is shining, and we'll see how it goes. Well, so much for going to Doodletown. You can see from the sign, all the trails are closed. This is still from that storm, and the walk, you can see some of the damage. This rock formation was not here. It's got to cross the trail. This is the Cornell Mine Trail, which I've taken a number of times. It starts over there and goes up, but apparently it's closed, so I'm gonna have to find another place to go to. Stop recording. So I've moved now to the Anthony Wayne recreation area, and we're going to see if we can find a trail opening this way. I'm going to head towards the Appalachian Trail, and we'll see what happens. So I'm passing over the Palisades Harriman State Parkway. The parking lot area is back that way. And the entrance to the trail is just up ahead. So here's the signage, and the trail goes up this way. So right now I'm on the Anthony Wayne Trail, and right behind me is Seven Lakes Drive. I kind of split off the Appalachian Trail. I was speaking to a hiker there, and he was going the same way I was going to go, and I decided I just didn't want to walk with him or behind him. So I came this way, but I think I'm actually going to head back and go to the Appalachian Trail, and just walk on that for a little bit and then head back. It's getting, unfortunately, a little later than I want it to be, but you know, all good.